electric air fryer oven cooker are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the electric air fryer oven cooker from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Electric air fryer oven cooker. Healthier fried food. Tasty crisp air fryer uses air crisp technology instead of oil to reduce added fat by 70 to 80% without sacrificing the flavor of your fried food. Quick plus easy. Short on time. Simply load a 2.6 quart capacity fryer basket, set the temp and timer, and within minutes your food comes out crispy, every time. Cord length, 31.5 inches. Safer. The auto shut-off function prevents overcooking and the cool touch handle makes it easy to use. Versatile. The redesigned crisper basket allows for greater surface area inside the air fryer so food gets more crisp, faster. Perfect for cooking frozen treats like chicken nuggets, fish sticks, and other snacks. This is a compact air fryer families will love. Compact plus lightweight. Half the weight of a standard fryer. The Tasty crisp air fryer is your must-have for that first apartment, smaller kitchen, college dorm life, camper, RV traveling, while its sleek design and trendy color options will accent any kitchen space. Number 2. Crownful 5-quart air fryer. Electric hot oven oilless cookery 1/4 LCD digital touch screen with 7 cooking presets and 53 recipes. Non-stick basket 1/4 1500 WETL listed, black. 368 degrees rapid air technology. The Crownful 5-quart air fryer uses 360 degrees rapid air frying technology to make sure the food is cooked evenly. You can also enjoy splatter-free cooking with up to 80% less fat or oil. Multifunctional all-in-one cooker. Cook your favorite meals using the different built-in presets which are designed to give you multiple cooking options. The presets are French fries, meat, shrimp, cake, chicken, steak, fish fillet, or you can also easily customize the setting to cook your food exactly as you want. Easy to operate, clean. The touchscreen digital control panel is very convenient to use. You can start cooking with just a few touches of buttons. The non-stick basket makes it easier to clean. It is also equipped with a durable handle guard to prevent accidental detachment. Sleek design. The neat and sleek design makes it perfect to put on any kitchen countertops. The matte finish reduces fingerprints and scratches on the surface. It has 5 quarts, 4.8 liters, capacity, enough to serve food for 4 persons. It comes with a bonus cookbook with delicious easy recipes for your daily meals. Safety warranty. The Crownful air fryer is all listed, which means you can be sure it is safe to use. Crownful offers 1-year warranty, so you can trust that your issues and concerns will be addressed accordingly. Number 3. Ultrian air fryer, 4.2 quart, 4 liter, electric hot air fryer oven oilless cooker with LCD digital screen and non-stick frying pot. Enjoy food with less fat or oil. With Ultrian air fryer you can enjoy the same fried and crispy foods with less fat and grease. Get a multifunction cooker that saves your time and money. Aside from air frying, you can also grill, roast, and bake your favorite food with its innovative heating system rapid air technology, which is designed to cook your food evenly without the hassles of using hot oil or thermometer. Hassle-free operation. With accessible buttons and an easy cooking setup, it comes with an auto switch-off timer, 0 to 30 minutes, and adjustable temperature setting, 188 degrees F 408 degrees F. Easy to clean. It has a non-stick pan, a heat-resistant handle, and a detachable dishwasher safe basket, so it's easy to cook and clean the unit after cooking. Contemporary design, with an LCD display and a bonus recipe book to help you prepare your fried food, snacks, grilled, and baked foods. Number 4, Deluxe Electric Air Fryer Plus Oven Cooker. Product 1, healthier fried food. Enjoy guilt-free food with the Deluxe Air Fryer Air Crisp technology. Instead of oil, reduces fat by 70 to 80%, without sacrificing flavor of your fried food. No more residual smell hours after you've eaten. Product 1, 6-quart capacity, the perfect appliance for picky eaters, large families, entertaining, or those with busy schedules. The 6-quart basket makes an abundance of appetizers, desserts, chicken wings, French fries, or even baked goods, and all within minutes of setting the timer. It couldn't be easier. Product 1, quick plus easy. Short on time? Simply load the large 6-quart capacity fryer basket, set the temp, and set the timer. Your food comes out crispy, guaranteed, every time, and in less time than it takes to preheat your oven, making it more energy efficient. Product 1, safer. The auto shut-off function prevents overcooking, and the cool touch housing and handle makes it safer to use. It's so simple, even your kids can use it. Bonus, the non-stick fryer basket is dishwasher safe for even easier cleanup. Product 2, 75 recipes, delicious healthy appetizers, meals, and desserts are just a page flip away with our full-color, easy-to-follow cookbook and recipe guide. Product 2, healthier fried food. Air fryers use air crisp technology, instead of oil, to help reduce added fat by 70 to 80%. Without sacrificing the flavor of your fried food. Product 2, versatile. There is a recipe for everyone: tacos, burgers, fries, donuts, cheesecakes, fries, more. Product 2, perfect gift. The Air Fryer Companion Recipe Book is the perfect stocking stuffer or add-on gift for Christmas, birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Number 5, Instant Vortex 5.7 QT Air Fryer Oven with accessories. 4-in-1 functionality: air fry, bake, roast and reheat. Even crisp technology, advanced technology that drives airflow top-down for a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. One-touch smart programs, customizable programs for one-touch wings, roasted veggies, garlicky potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns and more. Fast preheating, little to no preheating time, from frozen to golden in minutes. Create gourmet meals with the versatility of a temperature range of 120 to 400 degrees F. Easy cleanup, non-stick, dishwasher safe air fry basket and tray. A kitchen must-have, perfect for quick delicious meals, preparing side dishes, appetizers, wings and more. Great addition to any kitchen. Discover amazing recipes. Download our free Instant Pot app, so you can create quick new favorites and prepare delicious meals. Available iOS and Android. Safety features. Built-in safety features like overheat protection, auto off and more to keep your mind at ease. Included accessories: grill plate and skewer set that helps you prepare endless amounts of recipes and appetizers.